I was referred by my general dentist, Dr. Lobato, and I had some gum rescission issues that I've been struggling with over the last several years. And if anybody knows how when your gums start to recede, especially with age, and if you have any type of bridge work implants, it doesn't get any better. And since the smile is such an important part of your daily makeup and your self-confidence, I wanted to get it taken care of. When he sat down and looked at my case, he immediately said, "Yep, this is what we're going to do. The results are going to be amazing. It's going to be one procedure, one surgery. It's going to take this much to recover, and then once you do fully recover, it's going to look like your own gums, the gums you were born with." And when he said that, that gave me the confidence to go forward. And when you have a noticeable gum rescission to where part of your bridge work is showing and part of your the part of your root on your tooth is showing where it's sensitive, it really affects your ability to smile. And I'm in a people-person business where my smile is the first thing that people see. And Dr. Leavitt gave me the confidence that he could fix it. I made the decision to go forward, and I was extremely pleased with the results. The healing process for it to completely blend with your gum line is 3 to 4 months, but I could tell immediately that he had done an extremely good job and that the end result was going to be more than what I was expecting. And today, after 5 or 6 months since the procedure, you can't tell. It's a perfectly blended gum line. There is no bridge margin that's showing. I have absolutely no hesitation to brush. I see no margin showing, and I know that it's cured.